Wow, it has a lot of seafood inside. Delicious. I eat so much. What a day of eating we had, son. Thank you for having us in your lovely restaurant.
Thanks for coming in.
No problem. My name is Ming. I'm a chef and consultant, and today I'm a host and presenter.
My name is Sun Kim. I'm a chef and owner of a Meta restaurant in Singapore.
So what is Meta Restaurant?
It's a contemporary Korean restaurant
And you guys have been operating since?
since 2016.
Now, even though we can't travel now, today we were able to visit Seoul. We went to some of your favorite locations in Singapore and we saw Singapore through your lens. Tell me a little bit more about Tanjong Pagar first and foremost.
Tanjong Pagar is, for me, is a little Korean town, just to remind me of Korea.
Korea Mart, we went in and then we saw a whole bunch of directly imported things from Korea. So you have your food, your snacks, and your groceries. Does this bring you back to home?
It does, yeah. When I'm having like craving for Korean snacks, instant noodle, or miss my like comfort food. But let me bring you to my new comfort food.
Your new comfort food. Okay, so this is your comfort food from Seoul in Korea, and your new comfort food from Singapore.
Which is my new home.
This is your new home, okay.
I bring it to the hawker center.
Hawker centers.
Yeah.
All right, excellent. Let's take a trip to a hawker center. All right. Got my youtiao and my zui gui. Nice! Duck porridge. That's another kind of porridge. Not quite what I was thinking, but that looks really good. Okay, steady.
Let's dig in.
Yeah, this is gonna go really well, that too. This sort of breakfast, right? It means something to you?
Yeah. I usually come with my wife
Uh-huh.
to have this porridge.
For breakfast.
Yeah.
Is your wife Singaporean?
She's Singaporean.
She's Singaporean.
It's a part of my life.
What else fills your day with food? Where are we headed next?
Let's go to fish steamboat, where I used to go with a date with my wife. You should try the grouper steamboat there.
Okay, and if it's grouper steamboat, and if it's good, maybe I'll bring my girlfriend also. All right, let's go.
Hi, I'm Michael. This is my dad. This is my mom. We are running Nawachong Fish Steamboat. We have been using traditional charcoal steamboat since 1927 till today.
Have you eaten this kind of charcoal steamboat before?
I've never had it charcoal cooked like this.
You get to smell the aroma from the charcoal.
It's not smoky, but it's got that gentle sort of roasted flavor, right?
Yeah, there is some bit of like also char smell in the soup as well.
What is a dish from your childhood that reminds you of this?
Definitely Korean barbecue.
But that's barbecue, this is steamboat.
Yeah, still using the charcoal.
Where can you get this kind of Korean barbecue?
Tanjong Pagar.
In Singapore?
Yeah. Let's finish this one
Okay,
first.
let's finish this first.
안녕하세요. 김일도 점장 그레이스 조라고 합니다. 저희 김일도는 프리미엄급 코리안 BBQ 전문점입니다. 맛있는 고기 드시러 김일도로 오세요.
Wow, the grill is nice and hot already. Delicious ways to eat with pork. All right, what are we having today?
We are having pork platter
Okay.
and kimchi stew.
Kimchi
Some
stew.
naengmyeon, which is a buckwheat cold noodle.
Cold noodles, excellent, excellent.
And let's drink some soju bomb. Have you tried?
I have not tried a soju bomb. Okay, that sounds
I'll
like
make
a
for
nice
Best
snack.
choice.
Thank you very much.
What makes the authentic Korean barbecue is the service. Cooking in front of you.
Yeah.
They almost feed you.
They're almost everything but putting the food in your
Yeah.
mouth, right? Turmeric salt and homemade sausage.
Yeah, also from Korea.
Also from Korea.
Look at that, man.
show you.
What's going on?
So we got beer here,
Okay.
and we got soju here.
Yes.
So I'm gonna mix it my way
All right.
for you.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers, my friend. Oh, so to finish the whole thing?
Yeah, man. In a Korean barbecue, one of the last thing we finish with pork with cold noodle.
I love cold noodles. But I'm getting kind of full. Are we done here?
No, man. I want to introduce another noodle.
Another noodle space.
Yeah.
All right, all right. What is this noodle place?
It's called jjajangmyeon.
Jjajangmyeon. We're gonna eat jjajangmyeon. Okay, all right. So are we going there now?
Yeah. Cheers, man.
Cheers. Before we go, one last drink for the road, huh? After you, sir. Hello. This looks like classic stuff, right? And this is exactly how they have it in Korea.
Yeah, this is exactly how we eat in Korea.
All right, let's do it.
This place is actually as good as Korea.
As good as Korea.
Yeah.
A bit of a mix.
So when I was young, every Sunday lunch, my father used to bring me to the Chinese restaurant in Korea.
Every Sunday.
Every Sunday.
So you have an emotional connection to this dish?
Yeah, I do.
Was the jjajangmyeon as good as this?
This is even better.
Son, I'm really happy that we were able to share this food and seeing Singapore from your point of view, right? Finding a dish like this that reminds you of your dad and family and home. I'm just very pleased and very grateful. Thank you for sharing that with us.
I was so happy to share with you my favorite restaurants in Singapore.
I certainly had my eyes open and I will for sure be bringing my friends back to these places to share food with them also. I'm gonna eat more of this pork. Yeah.